Hello guys, Facebook Meta has actually released this new model, Muse Spark 1.2. It was recently released on August 5th and it's a very powerful model. And in this video, I will show you how to get this free unlimited. There is a trial which is going on. There is an offer which is going on this AI coding agent which is called as OpenCode. Simply type the address in the browser opencode.ai. It's completely open source AI coding agent similar to Claude, Gemini, Codex, Quen. So you basically copy this command, simply install this inside your terminal. I have already done that. So this company is offering this model for totally free. So let me just show you how to get this model. So right here, you basically open a directory where you will be developing your projects. So right here, you simply type open code. So now to actually open this, we simply type open code. So this AI agent just recently make this model completely free to use. So now the interface will open like this directly. So just wait. So now the interface looks something like this. Now to actually see the models, you simply type the command slash models. And right here, you simply type the free version, the free models which are completely free. So they offer this a lot of free models. So one such model they recently made free is Muse Spark 1.2 free. This is completely free model. So I don't know how much time it will be remaining free, but don't waste any time. Simply install OpenCode and switch this model to New Spark 1.2 free. So Facebook Meta has developed this. It's a very powerful model. I simply type a message hi to this model, and now as you will see, it will respond to me. And we will also be building out some applications. I will show you how popular is this. So it responded to me, hi, I am Muse Spark, your coding assistant. How can I help you today? So now my directory is completely empty as you see. Now I will now ask it to build out a complete image to PDF advanced web app with all options with professional UI. Make a index.html file. So I simply ask a prompt here. I want a complete image to PDF advanced web app with all options. So I will just want to see how much time it takes to build a professional full stack web application. So they are offering it for completely free, this open code. So it's very massive. I just recently got to know about it yesterday. So this model is just recently released on August 5. We just allow the permissions, so allow always confirm it so that it can create your files and directories. So simply allow the permissions. After that, it will now do the coding for you. So once it completes, you will get a notification that your app is complete. So you also get this context window as you see 11.2 thousand tokens has been consumed 1%. It's completely free and unlimited. So So generally, these companies provide these free trials, free offers, which last for at least 3 to 4 weeks. So don't waste any time. Simply install this and just take out the advantage. Create applications using this model. So right here, as you can see, it's actually now writing the file for you. So you can see I'm just showing you the overall process. This is the latest model that they released on 5th of August. 2026. So I just wanted to show how much time it takes to create an application. It is taking slightly more time as compared to other models, but let me see what's the actual code. So if you're watching it, you can pause the video or you can go forward in the video. So I just want to show you the overall process. So as you can see, it's using the Muse Spark 1.2 free model, which is provided by OpenCode. So once it completes, you will get a notification. So now as you see guys, it returned almost 700 lines of code. Done. It also lists out the features, what features this application has. So in my opinion, it is very slow model as compared to other models. So it's a slightly slower model. Let me check out the result of the application, what it has built out. So you see HTML, CSS and JavaScript, almost 700 lines of code. And let me open the application. So if I try to open the application, it's basically built out a image to PDF. The interface looks quite good. From here you choose your images and then you can simply adjust the options, page size, orientation, margin, everything. Page background as well. Let me change the page background to red. Convert and download PDF. So all your images will be converted to PDF. As you see, the background is red. So application is perfectly working guys, and the interface also look good, but the slight disadvantage is that it's slightly slow as compared to other models. So it does take a lot of time, but at this moment this model is completely free. You can take advantage by using open code. Simply install this and start using it. I've shown you step by step how to do this, so definitely take advantage and start using it.